forces around us. A fun lesson for kids. Push, push. A push moves an object away from something or someone. When you push a toy car, it rolls forward on the floor. When you push a door, it opens and lets you go through. Pull, pull. A pull brings an object closer or changes its direction. When you pull a drawer, it slides out so you can take things. When you pull a rope, the object on the other end moves closer. Gravity, gravity. Gravity pulls everything down toward the earth. When you drop a pencil, gravity makes it fall to the ground. When you jump, gravity pulls you back down. Friction, friction. Friction slows things down when two surfaces rub together. When you rub your hands together, they become warm due to friction. When you use brakes on a bicycle, friction helps to stop it. Magnetism, magnetism. Magnetism pulls certain metal objects without touching them. When a magnet attracts a nail, it pulls the nail without touching it. When you use a magnet to lift paper clips, they stick and move upward. Air resistance, air resistance. Air resistance slows objects as they move through the air. When someone uses a parachute, air resistance makes them float slowly to the ground. When a balloon is blown and released, it flies but slows down because of the air.